Okay, let me explain what LIVEWIRE CRUD Generator. Let me explain what LIVEWIRE CRUD Generator has done. We have two components. Let me show you. We have two components which are admin and admin child.php. The parent component, which is admin, and the child component, which is admin child. The parent component, which is admin, is where we handle data display and querying. Is where we handle data display and querying. This is part of our application where user can view and search for information. On other hand, we have the child component, which is responsible for managing CRUD operations. What CRUD stands for? CRUD stands for create, read, update, and delete data. In addition to these components, LIVEWIRE CRUD Generator LIVEWIRE CRUD Generator has also generated blade views. Let me show you. Blade view are located in the resources LiveWire, admin child, and admin. Okay, admin blade view. These blade views provides the user interface for our application. We have the separate file, as you can see here, for both admin child and admin.blade.php component for ensuring a clean and organized structure for our project. Okay, that is right. The next step is to rename and move our generated component in more organized manner. So this step is to rename and organize our component within specific folders for data code organization. We can use the LiveWire artisan command to move which is called the move, to achieve this. So here's how we can use this command to move our components into the desired folder structure. So let me show you. First one, we need to move our parent component, which is admin, to become the table admin. We need to rename it from the admin to the table component and place it in the folder called admin for more code organization. So let me show you. We'll write our command here, php artisan livewire move. Okay, we need to move our admin component to what? To the folder called the admin, and it is named now. It will be table. So after that, we can click enter and see the magic. What happened? As you can see here, we have already done this. This is why you get this error. So now for sake of this tutorial, because I need to show you how you can rename the file and move them in the Livewire, I will delete these already existing component in the admin folder. So let me delete them. So first of all, you go into this admin and you delete it completely. Then I will go to the component part and also delete the folder called admin. Then after that I will run my command here. So that after that we will see the magic. It will create the folder and move our admin file into admin folder with the new name called table. As you can see here, in the admin folder we have table called we have another file called table, and now our admin component is no longer here because it has already been moved to the folder which is called admin. So let's run another command to move our child. So now we need to move our admin child component to same folder which is called admin, but with name called create. Then after run this command, I expect this file to be moved into this folder. So let's run the command and see the magic. After run that command, it moved from here to here. So now we have another file called create. So now we have successful moved our file into folder called admin with new names create and table. Okay, let's see the next step is to update our components to reflect the renaming and moving action we performed in the previous steps. Let me show you. In the previous step, we have renamed our old component from admin to table and from admin child to create. So now it's time to make some changes to reflect those actions. So first of all, we need to make change to the display event in our blade views. Specifically, we will change the component names in the dispatch event. Here how we will do that in our table blade view. So we are going to the table blade view by this. So in our table blade view, we need to change this dispatch to, you see it has that old name. Now we need to change it to the new name after renaming. So let me select all occurrence of this and change it. Okay, let me see all occurrence of this and change it to, instead of that we say admin what child, admin create. Then we need to change. Okay, we need to change another one. We need to change in we need to make a change in our create blade view. So we need to make change in our create component to reflect the name of our new blade new component name. So as you can see here in the dispatch, it also pointing to the old name. So now we have to change it to reflect it to our new name, which is table. So after that, we are ready to go. Oh, let me prove that. Let me see this. We select all the occurrence and we go here. We change our name to table. I think now we are ready to go. And the next step is to create a web route that points to our components, allowing us to see the initial output in our user interface. In Laravel, we define our routes in the route /web PHP. So we need to go to that route. So by saying that, finally we are here. So here we will define our routes that will point to our components. So let me show you this one. So we have already defined our route here. So our route, it will has the namespace admin with name admin dot and the group function with that route with URL admin and the table. Table is what? Table is that table. As you can see here, it is pointing to our table component, which is located in the admin. Okay, dash you can see here, reading more in our, which is located in our admin Livewire admin table, as you can see here. So I think we are ready to go. So the next step is to define this or to write this in our link or menu. So we go to our menu. I already have defined my links, navigation links in the folder called sidebar.blade.php. So I will go to that folder. So I will create that link, but I have already created it. As you see, it is component side menu that one, but importantly is here. We have route called admin.blade.index admin.index and the title admin. So I think we are ready to see our first output after doing all those steps. I will run here PHP artisan serve. Then I'll open another terminal here. First of all, and I will run PHP npm run dev to compile as it is. So I will wait just a second and see. why it's not so now as you can see, we have all the necessary components and features in place to move on to a critical part of this video, which is creating and uploading files. So as you can see here, we have this. When you click this, we are going to the creation party, where we can create the new records. So we will make some tweaks for it to be work. So now let me show you our code here in the create part. So we have already set up the validation part that our package has help us. So and we can make few tweaks to ensure it works smoothly. Okay, here what we have so far, we have validation attributes. As you can see, validation attribute. We have validation attribute. This allows us to make our field names in the validation process more readable. Okay, we have got confirmation item deletion, a boolean variable to control the opening and the closing of our deletion model. We have got confirmation item creation, boolean variable to confirm to control opening and closing of our create model. We have got confirming item edit, boolean variable to control the opening and closing of editing model. We have got primary key, we have got item, we have got show delete form. Okay, method to display the deletion confirmation model. We have delete item method, a method to delete item. We have show creative function, and so on. So all those functions are created by Waziri-Tall CRUD Generator. So in this step we will make some final change before we dive into the crucial part of this video. Let's get organized and ensure everything is in a place. Organizing the add model. We will start by making our add model more organized. So first of all, let's do that. So we come here and we go to our add model, this one, and we'll organize some data here. So as you can see here, we have this close with that one. Okay, so password, this password. Okay, this need to have another one for pass any. Okay, we will add also password confirmation field. So now let's add password confirmation field here. Password confirmation field. So instead of password, we say password confirmation. Confirmation. I don't say password confirmation. confirmation. So we'll take that and put it here also. Password confirmation, password underscore confirmation, password confirmation, password confirmation. Okay, I think we'll take also this one, we copy it here. I think now we are done. So if we come here and see changes we have made, this one. Now as you can see, we refresh here to see our changes. Now as you can see, we have our ad model well organized. So now we are going to the next step, which is changing the input type of our picture profile. So we change it from text to file, and I will change its name from that one to just the profile. Okay, now we go back to our create component and we make this change. Okay, now we create a public property called profile to reflect our new name of our profile input. So now that is all, and final we clean up some, we make it clean up the creation and the editing parties. So we'll clean up the creation and editing part of our component by removing unnecessary elements or simplify the code. So now we are going here, we need to remove this. This is not what we want, so select it and remove them. Now we are good to go. In this step, we will be adding validation rules to our component. Here's the modified code with added validation rules, and so let us modify our code here by adding our validation rules for name, which will be required. Now we change our validation rules to protected function instead of function. So protected function. Okay, that return body. Okay, that return rules. That return rules. Okay, that return that return. Okay. Protected function rules. Okay. Rules. Okay. Rules return. Okay, now instead of this one we'll have, okay, I think that will be okay, and we will have this one, this one and that one. So first two rules will put what it say. That's the variable, the best variable, unexpected variable. Okay, I think because I didn't put anything, so required, this is required, then our name will be string, then okay, think string, then it will be string, then I will stop here. Here is all here is the modified code with the added validation rules, the use of with file upload straight from Livewire 3. As you can see here, this is for file uploading in Livewire, so we need to have this in order to upload the file in the Livewire 3. Okay, here is what happens. Here is what happens here in our rules. We have added the with file upload statement to enable file uploads with Livewire. Okay, we have modified our rules by including checking the name, email, and password field for their respective requirement. The image rules is used for validating. As you can see, the image rules is using for validating the uploaded profile picture, and we have set maximum file size of 1024 KB. With these changes, our component is now set up to validate user input, including file uploads according to the specified rules. This is the essential step in ensuring the security and integrity of our application data. So now here we are. The next step, we will reset the data after creating a new record and disable the save button when uploading file using Alpine.js. Here's how we can do this. First, we reset the data after creating new record. So we will use the resetting function of Livewire, like this. Resetting, then we will specify what we want to reset. We want to reset item, property, then we need to reset profile, Livewire component property. Now we have done here. Now we are going to the view section to control the uploading of file. So we will modify our profile input file here as following. As you can see here, we have added this Livewire upload functionality to show the upload status of our file. Then as you can see here, we have this Livewire upload start event, so it triggered or emitted when we start uploading our image. We have another Livewire upload finish, which is also triggered after finishing uploading our image. We have another Livewire event that is also emitted when we failed or we have an error in uploading our file. We have our last one which is Livewire upload progress event that show the progress of our uploading file. So now we need to disable our save button here while we are uploading a file. So let's do that. As we dispatch another event called the uploading and another event called the uploadings. So the uploading event will be emitted after a Livewire uploading start, and the uploading event will be emitted after finish or error event of Livewire. Then we listen to those event here, and the setting upload to true when uploadings event triggered, and the setting the uploading property of this Alpine component to false when we have an error or we finish the uploading our files. Then we use the uploading property to set conditionally different part of this. So first of all, we set disabled property of this button depending on the value of uploading. Then also we show this span with text uploading if the uploading property is true. That is all. Now it's time to test our final product. So now it's time to test how that we can upload. We can create a new record. So now let's see Waziri@gmail.com, and then put this password Waziri, and copy that and the confirmation, and upload our file. That is select our file here. As you can see here, we cannot save a new record while we still uploading a file. So that is nice feature. Now I click OK and wait for a second, and we will see our new record down here. This one. Oh, I think I need to go to the next page. Okay, next page. Wait a while. You're in the next page, and I think Waziri is here. As you can see, with your new image, and that is all. As you can see, that is all what we